Asian-inspired ground beef bowl plate. First thing, we're gonna make the sauce. You're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of stinky minced garlic into your sauce. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I didn't have any, so I just used regular sugar, and it was still good. Just a pinch of chili powder. Add a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Then I added about a dollop of hoisin sauce. Ooh, whoa. Yikes. Ooh, yikes. Yoop. Okay, so as you can see, I put 1 pound of ground beef into a medium skillet over medium temperature. And I'm just breaking up the meat as I'm cooking it, just like as if you were doing it for tacos or pizza. And then drain out the fat. Add the sauce into the meat and let it simmer for about 4 minutes. Okay, so once the 4 minutes is about done, you're going to want to make an egg for on top. Typically, this is a sunny side up, kind of wet over easy type egg, but I made mine over medium because I don't like mine super liquidy. But all I did was add a little bit of butter to the pan and fried up the eggs. So I made my white rice in the Instapot. And then I am going to put the Korean-inspired beef on top. And then you just lay the egg on top. And garnish it with some sesame seeds is what I used. But also you can do those green onions, scallions, if your family doesn't mind green onions. Obviously, I am not the most aesthetic food photographer yet, but let me tell you, this was delicious. My husband even ate leftovers for lunch the next day.